When we need to sign a document and send it via email, most of us follow the 3-step method. Number 1. Take a printout of the document, then sign it, and finally scan and send it to the recipient. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get this done without wasting your time and money. So first of all, you need to click a picture of your signature and transfer it to your computer. I simply used my mobile phone to click it. Then in the PowerPoint, you can make the necessary adjustments to the image. Crop to remove the extra space. Increase the brightness and sharpness. Then right click and save this in PNG format. Now save the document to be signed as a PDF. You can hit F12 button or go to File, Save As, and select PDF in the drop down. In this version of the Adobe Reader, you can find the required option under File, Get Documents Signed. Under Fill and Sign tools, click on Place Signature. In this window, you can see you have various other ways to add the signature, but since we have an image saved, we will select Use an Image. Browse the file and click on Accept. Place the image where you want it to be by clicking the left button of the mouse. Once placed, you can resize it to fit. It also allows you to rotate the image according to your requirements. Finally, you can hit the Save button and a copy of the file is made along with "signed" added to your file name. Your original file remains intact and your file is now ready to be sent. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.